You see Eddie, I'm using Fine Sis old strainer. What do you call it?
Spider.
Yeah, spider. I've got fresh butter beans and I've got fresh green beans. I am going to be making a 2-bean succotash today for y'all, taking advantage of still the fresh vegetables that's coming in. All right, now I'm going to blanch those for about 5 to 7 minutes. And the green beans, I'm not going to do quite as long. Maybe just a couple of minutes. Some people like their green beans really kind of nice and crunchy. So after this is done, I'll be right back. All right, right after our green beans come to a boil, we're going to want to leave them like a minute or two. It depends on how crunchy you like your green beans. Personally, I'm still stuck on a southern green bean. I like them a little soft. But it's whatever you get used to and whatever your tongue says, you know what I mean? Now this, I said we were going to cook for 5 to 8 minutes until they're tender, because they do take a little bit longer. You don't want to eat a raw butter bean like you can a raw green bean. So I'm going to turn this one off and I'm going to plunge it in the ice water to stop it cooking. And then I'll be back and do the same thing with the butter beans. Okay. I cooked the butter beans for about 7 minutes, y'all. 7 or 8 minutes. Just got them into a quick water bath. I've got the green beans over here draining. You want to make sure you drain them real good. Sorry, I put that right in the line of fire, didn't I? And it's not going to take but a second for those to cool down. Put these in here so I can drain my butter beans. All right. We got her done. All right. I'm going to turn my pan on. I'm going to add a half a stick of butter, because it's not a succotash without some butter, y'all. This is will make you a great side dish for Labor Day, y'all, if you barbecuing chickens or something out on the grill. All right, my butter's melted. I'm adding my garlic and I'm adding my onions, and I'm going to cook this for about 3 minutes and stirring it occasionally. We just want to get our onions to like an opaque color. You want to keep it stirred because remember that garlic can burn. But we don't want that. I'll go ahead and add a little pepper to that. With y'all, give me about 3 minutes. We'll finish this up. Our onions are opaque, y'all. I've got fresh corn cut off the cob. And I'm going to cook this for about 3 minutes. And then we're going to put it all together. Love that fresh corn. I'm just breaking up our fresh thyme a little bit. Our corn is about where we want it. So I'm going to throw in our tomatoes, our green beans, and our butter beans. We're going to have a pot full of succotash, y'all. I mean, a pot full. Now we're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. Until everything heats back up. You know, the butter beans and the green beans. Look how pretty that is. Just a mountain of beautiful, good stuff for you. Love the color. Us blanching that and dropping it in the ice water helped it keep its bright color, and I like that. And I love using fresh black pepper. For me, some reason it has flavor, but it doesn't have the heat that a ground pepper has to me. Okie doke. Might need a little bit more butter. If I can find that butter, how am I? Can't find our butter. That's bad. That's bad. Where's our butter?
Right there.
Oh, I see it. It's on the table with a lot of other stuff. Usually it stays right by my side. Don't let it get too far, y'all. Just a little bit more. Give it something to bathe in. Okay, is the barbecue chicken ready on the grill? Y'all ready to take it off and fix your plate? No, I am. All right. I am gonna have to sample a little of this though before it gets served. Get down there, butter and melt. Oh, butter beans are one of my favorite of all beans. I want to make sure I get some of it all. What a beautiful, beautiful side dish. I mean, this would be good with hamburgers and hot dogs. You know? There, now that extra little butter is melting. I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. And I'm going to dig in. That garlic is so good. So, so good. And the time peaks out at you. So, when making this recipe, choose the way you want your green beans and your butter beans to be. I recommend that you cook your butter beans. If you're using a frozen product, I think it tells you like 20 minutes. And I wouldn't hesitate to use a frozen butter bean because they're delicious. So I would cook those for about 8 minutes when I'm blanching them. The green beans, they're still nice and crisp, so if you like them that way, 2 minutes maybe after it comes back to a boil. So that's entirely up to y'all, whatever you like. And I want to remind y'all of something that I learned a long time ago. If you're in a slump, in a bad place, this is my advice from Aunt Paula. Or Grandma Paula, or Mama Paula. Keep your head up and your eyes open. Because I got black pepper in my tongue. Keep your head up and your eyes open because you never know what God's got in store for you. God bless. Love and best wishes to all of y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.